There are 5 actions you can take right now in preparation for landing your career dream job. I know you're busy at law school right now. I know there's a lot going on, but these 5 things are super actionable and quick, and they can fit into your week quite easily, very easily, in fact. And they are going to build compound interest. So they're going to accumulate a long time, and they're going to serve you very well when you're ready a year, 2, 3 from now to find that summer position, that articling position, that internship, whatever it is that whatever process you're in right now is going to help you find the position for you. And the 5 easy steps are as follows. Number 1, build and protect your reputation right now. You may not realize it, but your reputation started on the first day of law school. Many of the people that you're working with now, if you plan to practice law in the same city where you're attending law school, you're going to probably interact with fellow students in the years to come, whether they're in your practice area or not. They might be referring work to you. They might be looking to hire you in their firm in the future. They might have a candidate for you for your firm as a senior lawyer or attorney in your firm. So look around you. The colleagues that you're working and the fellow students you're working with right now are going to be really meaningful to you in 5 or 10 years' time, maybe sooner. So protect your reputation now so that you're lining yourself up well amongst the minds of those people that know you in the early days. Number 2, if you haven't done so already, fill in your LinkedIn profile or create one. It's going to take you all of 10 minutes. Fill it out, put in a nice photo. It doesn't have to be a professional photo. Fill in all the fields, put in a little biography about yourself, and start connecting with fellow students and others. And I'm going to talk more about LinkedIn and how it can serve you, but at the very least, in this moment, fill out your LinkedIn page. Number 3, now is the time to start thinking about who are those top 10 law firms that you would love to work with, or you're just curious about and potentially interested in joining. Now is this time to start creating that list so that you can follow them, pay attention to them, perhaps set up coffee meetings, do it before the recruitment starts, get warmed up to them, get them to know you, and you're going to be light years ahead of the competition by simply warming up those 10 firms. It might be 5. If it's 10, even better. Start warming them up to who you are, what you're looking for, and what it would be like to work with you. Get ahead of the pack and start now. And I'm going to talk more about that in future videos. Number 4, learn to network effectively. And this is for introverts and extroverts alike. Networking is not reserved for extroverts. In fact, introverts can do very, very well in a network environment. In fact, a lot of lawyers are introverts. I've worked with introverts for 30 years or more. So it's important that you understand how to network and to get reasonably comfortable at it in a genuine way, not in an artificial way, not in a prescribed way, but in a really genuine way so that you're retaining information about who you're meeting. You have low anxiety or no anxiety. And I'm going to share with you some tips how to go about that. But learning to network earlier than later is going to serve you well. And you can practice in law school. You can practice with the OCIs. You can practice in any environment you have in clubs, et cetera, at school, and then bring that forward to when you're meeting with firms or individuals in firms, et cetera. So start to network well earlier, even in the face of discomfort. Number 5, I want you to listen to the Lawyer Launcher podcast. And this is not just a self-serving message, but I'm working really hard to bring you professionals in the field who can help unlock some of the mysteries that you might have about a law firm, especially if you're a first-gen law student, or if you just need that extra boost. It's for everyone. And I'm bringing all kinds of different professionals and lawyers to the podcast who are sharing insider tips. So it's an hour or 45 minutes, 30 minutes well spent. So plug in, listen. It's on YouTube and on podcast platforms. So come and join us and let me know what you want to hear in the future. Leave comments for me. I'm very happy to hear the gaps that we're missing and things that we need to bring to you so that you are more confident and more effective in that transition between law school and your first law firm. That's the space I'm excited about because I know I can help. Why am I recommending these 5 actions? Because when they all come together, you will be a little more visible. You will be focused on your priorities. You will make long-term important connections. Whether they turn out to be productive in the next year or so is yet to be seen, but surely in the next 5 or 10 years, you're going to be really glad you met many of these people. You're going to set up your personal brand by keeping your promises, following through, and being the person that you want to work with in the future. And you continue learning from others, from the Lawyer Launcher podcast, so that you avoid mistakes others made, so that you can lean in with more confidence. So we can make that transition from law school to your first law firm as smooth and as successful as possible. That's the space I'm really excited about, because it's easy to do. We just need to plan a little bit ahead, and we need to give you the tools that you need to be more successful. So I'm excited about that space and super passionate about it. So come and join me. And if the things you want to hear on the podcast, please let me know. Leave a comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks.